Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Kali Linux on your Windows 11 operating system. For this, you will need two things. One is a VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a tool that allows you to run various operating systems on your machine. For example, you can run Kali Linux virtually on your Windows 11 operating system using VirtualBox. Then, we will also need the VirtualBox file for Kali Linux. We will download it from the official Kali Linux website. First, let's see how we can install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So start by opening your preferred browser and search for VirtualBox. And the first link that will appear here will be from virtualbox.org. We will just click on this link, and once the virtualbox.org website opens directly, you will be able to see the download button here. Otherwise, you can also click on the download link here and you will go to the download page. All right. So I'm just going to click on this button, and here you can see the installation package for different operating systems. So we want a VirtualBox for the Windows operating system. So we will choose Windows host. And it will download the exe file of VirtualBox on my Windows 11 operating system. So once this exe file is downloaded, I will simply click on this file. And I will minimize my browser. And you can see that the installer has started. So on this first installation window, you just need to click the next button. And here, you can simply leave everything as default. And the default location for VirtualBox will be this location. So if you don't have a good reason to change this location, leave it as default and click Next. So on the next window, you can see the custom setup window, and here you can leave everything checked. And it will create a VirtualBox desktop icon on your Windows 11 operating system. And this will create a shortcut in the quick launch bar and other features. So I usually leave all the boxes checked. Then I click on the next button, and at this point, you just need to press yes, then click on install, which will start the installation process of VirtualBox. And if you see this type of warning, just click on install. And now you can see that the installation of VirtualBox has started. You just need to wait a little while. Until the end of this installation, if you see this type of warning, do you want to install this device software? This means that VirtualBox wants to install device software on your Windows 11 operating system. So I trust VirtualBox to install this software on my Windows 11 operating system. So I will click on install, and now I see that this VirtualBox icon is created on my desktop. And in a few seconds, you will see this message that says Oracle VirtualBox installation is complete. And at this stage, leave this box checked to launch VirtualBox, then click Finish. I can now see that VirtualBox has been launched on my Windows 11 operating system. Now, once you have VirtualBox on your Windows 11 operating system, let us see how we can install the virtual Kali Linux box file to run it on our Windows 11 operating system. So for that, what you need to do is simply search for Kali Linux. And the first link that will appear here will be from cal.org. So I will click on this link, and here you will directly see the download area. So I will click on the download button here. And here you have two things, the installer images and the virtual machines. So, because we want to install the virtual machine for Kali Linux, we can choose this option that says virtual machine. And under the pre-built virtual machine section, you can choose for which virtual machine you want to download the Kali Linux. So, first of all, select 64-bit here. Then select VirtualBox here. Okay, just select VirtualBox, which will download this zip file that is about 2.7 gigabytes. So just wait for the download to finish. Now, this zip file is downloaded. I will go to my download folder where this zip file is downloaded. If you do not have 7-zip installed, just install it because it is a file and you might need the tool 7-zip in order to extract it. For example, when I click on this zip file, my Windows operating system does not recognize it as a 7-zip file because I do not have the 7-zip tool installed on my Windows operating system. So first of all, I need to install it. Just search for 7-zip on any browser. And the first link that will appear here will be from 7zip.org. Just click on it, then click on the first link, which is for 7-zip. 64-bit operating system. It is not a very large file. Just click on that 7-zip executable you downloaded, then click install. This will install 7-zip on your Windows 11 operating system. So the installation is very quick. And now just go to the folder where you downloaded the Kali Linux 7-zip file. Right-click where you can even double-click, then you can simply click on Browse an app on your pre-PC. Then in the program files, just go 7-zip in there, choose 7-zip FM. So this is called File Manager 7zip.exe. Select it and click on Open, and then click on Always Here, which will open this file in 7-zip. And here what you need to do is extract this folder anywhere in your file system. So just click on Extract and then place this folder at the desired location in your file system. I am going to extract it to my D drive. So I will select D, then click OK, and then click OK, which will extract this folder to the D drive of my Windows operating system. So now the extraction is complete. Let me go to my drive D. Here, this folder is created now. You can see there are two files here. One is a VBox file and the other is a VD file. We will need both files. Let me first open my VirtualBox and see if there is a Kali Linux virtual machine here or not. So you can see that there is no Kali Linux virtual machine that I have created here. And you must observe what happens when I click on this .vbox file. So just click on the .vbox file. And once you click on the .vbox file, you will see that this Kali Linux 2022.4 is automatically created on VirtualBox. You just need to click on this file and it will be added to your VirtualBox automatically. All right, this is created when you click on this .vbox file. Once it's already added, simply copy the path from here, and we will also use the VDI file. So now click on this Kali Linux virtual machine. Click on Settings here, and then click on System here. So you can see that the motherboard is correct, but the processor, you can still increase it to 4. And then the acceleration, I will leave it as default. The display, I will leave it as default. In the controller, you will see this VDI file automatically selected, right? So it took the same paths where my VBox Kali Linux file is located. If you don't see it here, you can always click on this plus sign, then click on this add button and navigate to your Kali Linux folder where you have the VDI file. Okay, so just select this VDI file from here if you don't see it here. Because I can see it here, I don't have to do anything. All right, you can also change all these settings later. And the main setting is for this one. So you should see this .vdi file automatically selected. I will click on OK, then select again and click on Start. And now I can see this kind of window. So when I click the Start button, it begins the new installation of Kali Linux. So wait a moment until you see the next command. And now your virtual machine is ready. The default username and password are Kali and Kali. So simply type Kali as the username and Kali as the password. And then click on Login and you can see that this virtual machine has started. Click the maximize button and you can see that everything works smoothly. So from here, I can open the command prompt and then I can type some commands. For example, I can write if command, type here, then press enter. This displays the network information for me. Now you can start using this virtual machine, Kali Linux, on your Windows 11 operating system with VirtualBox. This is how you can download and install Kali Linux on your Windows 11 operating system using VirtualBox. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.